Mike Anthony here, the EZPZ life.
Yeah, we're on our way to Bull Shoals, Arkansas. Fish the White River. We got about 800 miles total to go on our journey, and we're about 130 in. We still have about 8.5 hours left to drive in. Should get out there somewhere early morning. Maybe a day of rest, check out the surrounding area, and hit it hard. Hopefully pull into some big old lunkers. Ew. We'll check with you guys later.
Checking back in with you guys. Well, we're driving through the potato state, Kentucky. Yep.
Got a ways to go, man. A ways to go. First fuel stops coming up. Truck's getting okay gas mileage, but old Esmeralda's doing pretty good, so we'll keep on trucking along. Check in with y'all here in a bit.
EZPZ headquarters. Check it out in the background. In the tomato state of Kentucky.
Bluegrass, Nimrod.
Oh, yeah. What's up, guys? Checking back in. It's hard to see what I'm looking at, blinded by the light. But pulling into Missouri. The Buckeye State. Yep. And we just drove through a nasty little storm. Got a little time lapse for you. Should be pretty cool. What's up, Nick?
What's up, guys? Cool little bit of info is we just drove over the Missouri River going into the state of Missouri. Here in about a month and a half, we'll be on the Missouri River floating, but we'll be in the state of Montana.
We're in Missouri. I just pulled a little whining cry fit. It said, "Dear Diary, wah, my legs hurt. I'm cramped up. I need to get out of the car." So we're stopped, pulled over. Nice little spot out here. I'm gonna walk up to the river, check some stuff out, stretch our legs. It's about what, 3:30 in the morning?
4:30.
4:30 in the morning. Oh yeah, see y'all in a little bit.
So we put in about 600 miles. Got 130 to go.
What was I just doing in the truck there?
Oh, whining like a little girl.
What? Dear Diary?
My hips hurt. Why isn't this computer working? I dropped my phone.
I'm all cramped up. I gotta get out of the truck. Yeah, I don't know what he's talking about. I would never do that. Back at old Esmeralda. I think we're gonna try to get a little nap in. We got about 2.5 hours left to get there. And he's a little tired. I'm a little cranky, hangry, all the above. I'll try to nap it out in the truck for a minute. And we'll see y'all in the morning when we're pulling into sight. Well, we thought we could sleep in the truck. You can't. It doesn't work like that. So, about an hour away, I'd say. And hurting.
Hurting? Come on, man. We're ready to go.
I'm not. I'm ready to go to bed. So I just got coffee and the energy drink all in one. I got a coffee and the energy drink all in one. It's got coffee and energy all in one. We're ready to go now. Ah!
Hello guys, another check-in, 8:30 in the morning. We just got done shopping at Walmart. Got some supplies for the next 3 days. We are 10 minutes out from our destination and our first glimpse at Bull Shoals and the White River. Let's just hope that this thing is holding them big old brown trout that it's known for, and maybe we can hook into a couple of them. We'll get with you guys here in a bit when we get camp set up, and we'll go from there. I'll holla!
Yep, I did forget to mention we made it to Arkansas, the Redwood State. We're here to hunt. I mean fish. Yeah. Sir?
I can't right now, man.
What,
The Redwood State.
what happened? I don't know what he's talking about.
How we doing, guys? The EZPZ life here. Got the White River behind me. Bull Shoals Dam right ahead. Here we got a tailwater from the Bull Shoals Dam. We're going to be targeting brown trout, rainbow trout, brook trout, and cutthroat trout. We're going to put in here at Bull Shoals Dam and float down to Cotter, which is about 18.5 river miles. Probably take us around 7 hours, 8 hours to get down there, and we're hoping we can crush them tomorrow. We're just out here scouting the river, making sure it looks good, and we're ready to go.